Chapter 2, number 5. We're going to solve each equation and determine whether the solution has one, no solutions, or infinitely many. All right, let's take a look here. So it looks like we have 3t plus 4t equals to 12 plus 3t. Well, let's get rid of the variable t first. Minus 3t minus 3t. Okay, this cancels, this cancels. This just leaves you 4 is equal to 12. So you ask yourself, when is 4 equals to 12? This is never. So it has no solution as the answer. Okay, this is never true. This statement is never true. That's why the answer is no solution. Okay, let's do the next one. Let's distribute here. 6 times 2y, which is 12y. 6 times 1 becomes 6. 12y plus 6. Let's get rid of the variable. So we're going to subtract 12y to both sides. This cancels because it makes 0. This cancels, leaving you with just a 6 is equal to 6. When is this true? This is always. Because the answer is always true, we say this has infinitely many solutions. All right, and there you go. That would be the answer for B. All right, let's look at C here. Let's distribute this in. This gets you 9g. 3 times 6 is 18. 2 times 6g gets you 12g. And 2 times 9 gets you 18. Okay, we're going to subtract 9g to both sides. This gets you 18 is equal to 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 4g plus 18. We subtract 18 to both sides. This cancels. Okay. This cancels, leaving you here with a 0, because this also cancels, 4g. Even if you divide 4 to both sides, you still get 0 equals to g. Okay, when is 0 equals to g true? This is true once. Because it's once, we say this has one solution. And the solution is g is equal to 0. All right, so there you go. That is how you solve and determine if it has no solution, infinitely many solutions, or one solution.